Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing fantastic. Thank you for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to look at Harmony One because it's, whilst Phantom pumps, it seems everyone is sleeping on Harmony One. So we're going to have a little look at that. First things first, do subscribe to the channel. We're literally 10 away from hitting 1,000 subs now. So do hit that subscription button. Adds value to your life at the cost of nothing. And also patrons, awesome to see you two joining the squad. It's really nice to have that support. So let's take a look at Harmony One. We've currently got 1.02 billion USD locked in, and that's across all platforms, chains, looking at liquidity pairs and staking pools. So it's really nice to see that big juicy number, and that number has not been going down. It's just continuously going up, so more and more money is getting locked in, and that reflects big belief in the project itself. Going through here on their Twitter, leading cross-chain router protocol for Web3, about to hit 500 million. You can see Harmony is literally just chilling over here. That's really bullish news. We can also see Harmony protocol is featured in many prominent big news companies, things like that. So their name is getting everywhere. It's real organic, strong growth. This isn't like hypey, greedy, unhealthy growth. This is real organic growth, which only a strong project with a real community and network will actually ever achieve. We can also see they are dabbling in with exhibitions, NFTs as such, which is really nice and promising. They've also got their community there as well, which is great to see. A bit of transparency. And we can see as well that they're really helping with actual real world matters. 250,000 donations, just look at that. They're actually helping real world matters, Harmony. That's just really great to see. That's just what you want. So before we do hop into that Harmony, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below, and let's hop in. So Harmony One trading at $0.32, ranked 49 of a market cap of 3.7 billion, and we can see that the fully diluted valuation is 4.2 billion. So the full supply is nearly fully circulated now, and that's a really moderate market cap for such a good project. We can see over the 30 days we're up 60%, over the 2 weeks we're up 35%, over the week we're up 22%, and over the 24 hours we're up 11.4%. So let's have a look at some particular levels. Basically at the beginning of December we had another accumulation range, and this looks just like Phantom really, where we had these lowering highs, and we finally busted through that resistance level. So just like this one here, it's another Fibonacci 0.618 to 0.7 retracement, undervaluation, reaccumulation zone. And what I can see here on the daily time frame is that volume is slightly dipping off. Like first things first, we can see that dip off of volume, but we aren't getting any bearish divergence. As we can see, the RSI is coming up, but the price is also coming up with it. So it's looking pretty solid. We've tested that 20-day moving average again on this time frame, as you can see here. And look at that, it's just green after green after green after green. It looks super strong, super bullish. So we did consolidate as well along this resistance. As you can see, we just trampled along there, and that also shows us that there's a lot of support at this particular 0.28 level. So we had basically a giant cup and handle. Don't know if you can see that over there. Maybe I'll try and draw it out quickly. But really, we just had a nice cup and handle, and you could say this is part of the handle, and even another whole cup shape over there. So it's really nice. But for me, this reflects accumulation when the market is fearful, and it looks super strong. So we had the resistance over here, and now we're just coming up to retest this level of $0.33. So that's the next resistance mark that we need to get to. Now, of course, we can come back down. There are levels that we can fall back down to. If we take this impulse, and just put up the fib retracement, perhaps we can come back down to maybe 0.28 or 0.3 in the meantime, just to have a bit of a cool down. Maybe it needs something like that. And of course, the next resistance is 0.38, just up above there. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are hopping along that 20-day moving average. We're really bullish, and it's looking really good. So keep it up, keep holding this particular project really strong, and everyone is sleeping on it right now. So that's one of the things to keep in mind. If we hop into the 30-minute time frame, you can see it's literally bull flag after bull flag. You see we've got this bull flag here. Here's the flag at the pole. we're just busting out, and now we're kind of getting some consolidation. There's loads of buying pressure, as we can see. With these wicks, they demonstrate really, really big strength. So I would expect that perhaps we're going to break out to the upside here with the momentum that we are getting. And I think that's going to help us get to our level of testing, you know, this next resistance over at 0.33. I think that it's really the next area that we are headed, and nothing's stopping it. And the thing is, even if we do come down, because we've also got this support along here, I think the worst that could happen is probably, you know, two things can happen here. We come down, we retrace a little bit, something like that, and then we just boom, straight up, you know, or we could basically just straight up test the resistance, get rejected, and come through, and basically all the way up there. So I don't know, leave down in the comments which arrow do you think is more likely to happen, green or red. I'm feeling the red arrow. I feel like the red arrows are going to play out just because of the momentum, but then I also think it's very easy, because we are now overbought on the RSI, to come back down slightly, even if we do just come back down to these lower levels somewhere along here before we move back up to the upside. But I think what is key is that the momentum is bullish and the trend is your friend. So what happens if we do break through our all-time high at 0.38? Well, this is where things get very exciting. So if we pull up that Fibonacci extension tool, we can actually have a look by taking the high down to the low. And the first area, our first target in price discovery mode is going to be 0.43. The next area will be 0.46. And our golden fib level will be $0.5. So that is a real target. And you might look at that and just think, no, it's not going to raise by 0.18 cents over the next few weeks, but you'd be very surprised how quickly this moves. So if we do retest the all-time high of 0.38 and we break through with a lot of volume, a lot of momentum, and we're not too overbought with no bearish divergence on the RSI, this is when we're going to see those new all-time highs of 0.43, 0.46, 0.5. So just be on the lookout for that, because last time Harmony 1 took an impulse and corrected down, you're looking at, what did we achieve? A 520% increase. So let's say the returns diminish and we just follow the same trajectory. The exponential gains will be 200%, and that will take us to around 0.5, which is just, you know, where we said. So if we could just basically copy what happened, follow something similar, you know, because we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that would be 5. It's a classic ABC wave, just like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E. And I think that's what could pretty much play out here. So super bullish on Harmony 1. No one is talking about it, which is kind of strange because everyone is usually talking about it. But I think this project, oh my god, it's going to the moon, man. That's all I can say. It's going to the moon. So if you are new here, please do subscribe to the channel. That's a bit of a wrap, really. The conclusion is that we just need to hold the support level that we're currently at, and then we're going to taste and have a taste of the next resistance level. So if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. Consider becoming a patron for exclusive benefits. And thank you, Mub, Peter Alp. You guys are awesome. And see you in the next one.